Your zipper stuck or broken? Don't worry, here's how to fix it temporarily. First, check if the zipper is simply stuck. If it won't move, don't force it. Try rubbing pencil graphite on the zipper teeth. Graphite works as a dry lubricant. You can also use soap or lip balm to help it slide. Gently move the zipper up and down. If the zipper keeps separating, the slider may be loose. Use pliers to carefully tighten the slider slightly. Test it again to see if it holds. If your zipper won't stay up, try the keyring trick. Attach a small key ring to the zipper pull. Loop it over your button to keep it locked. If the pull tab is missing, use a paperclip. Insert it through the slider hole. A safety pin also works as a quick replacement. If the teeth are misaligned, straighten them gently. Pull the zipper slowly and carefully. For extra support, apply clear tape behind the zipper inside the clothing. If it's a backpack, tie a string through the slider. This gives you something to pull. If some teeth are missing, zip up to the damaged part. Then use a safety pin to secure the area. These fixes are temporary, but can save you in an emergency. For a permanent solution, consider replacing the zipper later. And that's how you fix a broken zipper temporarily.